Good evening, this is Mr. Veron with a solution to the problem of the day from Monday, May 11th. It says Georgia has some 4-inch cubes like the one shown below. Georgia will put the cubes in the box shown below. Part A, what is the total number of cubes that Georgia needs to exactly cover the bottom of the box with a layer of 1 cube deep? Show or explain how you get your answer. In part B, Georgia is going to fill the entire box with her cubes. What is the total number of cubes that Georgia needs? Show or explain how you get your answer. So here are our solutions. So as you can see, the first thing I did was draw the actual box. So we have the dimensions here, 12 inches, 24 inches, and 20 inches. So in order to figure out how many cubes fill the bottom, first I need to figure out how many cubes would fit from left to right, or our width, and then how many cubes would fit from front to back, which is our length. Or you can say length and width, doesn't really matter whether we interchange them. So in order to do that, I know that my cubes measure 4 inches in all dimensions. So I'm going to actually do 24 divided by 4, and that tells me that it's going to take 6 cubes to go here from left to right. Then I'm also going to do the same from front to back. So I could do 20 divided by the 4, because again, each block or each cube is 4 inches. So we're going to do 20 divided by 4. So it's going to take 5 cubes to go from front to back. Now, if I want how many cubes are going to be on the bottom, I'm going to do 6 times 5, and that gets me my 30 cubes. We also call that the base. So if we're thinking about this kind of like a house, this would be like the first floor apartment. Okay, so that would cover that. So 30 cubes would fit on that bottom or base. Now, part B says how many cubes are going to fit in the whole box. Now, in this case, again, I'm going to take this 12 inches here, and I'm going to divide it by 4, and that's going to tell me that our height would be 3 cubes. So I can fit 3 cubes from top to bottom. Now, once I know that, we actually have 2 different formulas for volume. We can have volume equals base times whatever our height is. Now we know our base is going to be 30 cubes, that covers that. Now we're actually just going to multiply that by 3, because if we think about it, that being our first floor, we're going to have 3 floors because we can fit 3 cubes high. So we're going to do 30 times 3, means that I can fit 90 cubes in all. Now if you use the traditional formula, which is volume equals length times width times height, we'd go back to what we had found earlier, that it takes 6 cubes to go from left to right, 5 cubes to go from front to back, and 3 cubes high. So we'd do 6 times 5 times 3, again, which gives us our 90 cubes. Hopefully you get the same solution, and I will be posting the problem of the day a little bit later. Bye.